This is just a quick review on some basic maintenance and troubleshooting on a ReSound LiNX RIC hearing aid. In front of me I've got a pair of ReSound LiNX hearing aids. The only spots you really have to pay daily attention to are the microphones, which are on the back of the actual hearing aid. That's where sound's coming in. And the speaker, or sometimes called receiver, where the sound is coming out of the hearing aid. Assuming those two areas are clean and the hearing aid is properly functioning and it's got a good battery, you should be fine. So, with your hearing aid, you should have gotten a little cleaning packet, which contains a brush and a cloth. Basic cleaning. On the end of the hearing aid, you've got your dome. And this dome can just be brushed right at the very end. Try to point it towards the ground or surface as you're brushing. And just kind of do that for 15-20 seconds or so. Periodically, you want to actually remove this tip or dome. Just grab it and pull. It'll come right off. Underneath, you've got what we call a wax guard, which is a small insert that protects the speaker by collecting wax and preventing it from getting further back into the component. Again, that can be brushed out. When you're done brushing, simply take your dome, just push it back over the top securely. Now on the other end of the hearing aid, you've got your microphones opening here and opening at the bottom. Tilt that towards the ground and just run your brush over that area. Again, 15-20 seconds. You can use that cloth that they give you and just kind of wipe off the body of the hearing aid to get any oils or moisture off that accumulate over the course of a day of usage. And that's the basics of how to clean the hearing aid.